Pep Rally ng Letran, big boost para sa Knights na unang sasabak sa basketball tournament. Silipin sa report.
Ilang tulog na lang magsisimula na ang panibagong season ng NCAA. Kasabay ng paghahanda, 2 pang member schools ang nagdaos ng Pep Rally. Festive ang Pep Rally ng Colegio de San Juan de Letran. Big boost daw ang Pep Rally na ito para sa Knights na unang sasabak sa basketball tournament.
Sobrang support nila sa amin at iba yung expectation nila sa amin ngayong season. And dadalhin namin yun at magiging inspiration namin sa pagkamit ng aming pangarap.
We expect them to still continue the Arriba spirit. Our teams are learning from these experiences, these successes. Yung 101 belongs to Letran.
Sa gym naman ng University of Perpetual Health System Delta sa Las Piñas, dumalo sa Pep Rally ang teams mula sa iba't ibang sport. Excited silang salubungin ng Season 101, nakasabay rin ng pagdiriwang ng anniversary.
There's a saying that everything you touch will turn into gold. So this year, as we celebrate our 50th anniversary, I believe our players are ready to go for the gold.
Confident but not too confident. Ano lang, nasa level lang kami na game at a time. Tsaka sobrang excited kasi madaming pumasok from juniors.
CJ Torida, One North, Central Luzon.